Hello everyone, and welcome to my first ever cash stuffing video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this as much as I did filming and making it, and without further ado, let's get started. So a quick recap of my categories. So for my cash envelopes, I have tithe, gas, groceries, spending, and eating out. And for my sinking funds, I have school loans, school, wedding, technology, new car, car maintenance, travel, future home, health, emergency funds, hobbies, and gifts. So today we are going to be stuffing $630, and this is just the cash breakdown. And we are back, and so first off we're going to be stuffing my cash envelopes. And so first off, it's tithe. Tithe is getting $105, and it's going to get 2 50s and 1 5. So 50, 100, 105. So 50, 100, and 105. Okay, and then gas is going to get $50, so it's going to get 2 20s, so 20, 40, and 50. So 10, 30, 50. Okay, and then groceries is going to get $40, so it's going to get 120, and then 110, and then 2 5s. 5, 10, 20, 40. Doesn't want to open. Okay. And then spending is going to get $20, so it's going to get 2 times. So 10, 20. Okay, and then eating out is also getting a 20, so 2 10s, so 10, 20. Okay, and so we are done with these. So we're going to be moving on to my sinking funds in here. Let me just fix this is bothering me. Okay, so first off, we are going to be, okay, so loans. So loans is going to get $50. 50. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 150, 200, 250, $300. Okay. $300, and then school is going to get $200. So the reason why it's getting $200 is because I have to pay my tuition by August, and so I need to prioritize more of my funds into this. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 150, 200, 250, 350, 450. So 450. Okay, and then wedding is getting $20. So we're just going to add a 20. So it's going to be 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 40, 60, 80. So 180. And then technology, so this is something I just added because my laptop is on the verge of dying on me. So this is getting $20. Okay, and then new car is also a new category that I just recently put down, and that's getting $25. So 20 and 5. And we are done with this one. Okay, so onto this one. So car maintenance is getting 15. So this is getting $10 and 5, so 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 25. And then travel is getting $10. So it's going to be 20, 40, 60, 70. And then future home is getting $20. Just give me the last 20. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80. And then health is getting $10. It's getting 2 5s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15. And then emergency fund is getting $25. So it's $25. So 10, 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30. And then gifts and hobbies and are not going to be stuffed as stuffed this week. But I hope you guys all enjoy, and this, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.